Okay, welcome to the next Blender tutorial. So today we are doing some basic lighting with some orbs. So what I'm going to do to begin with, let's go ahead and I'm going to duplicate the default cube just a bit. So S for scale. It'd be great if I had my screencasting keys. I knew I forgot something. So let's press G and bring this up, and then I'm going to go with add and let's go plane, S for scale. And then we'll go with G and bring some of these objects to the base just here. And what we're going to do essentially is just make some little orbs so you guys can see how the lighting works in Blender. So I'm going to get rid of the default lights just here. Let's go ahead and just add a few more little bits in so we can get some of those shadows. Alright, so once you've got something like this, we'll make some basic lights with some orbs. So you're going to go to Mesh, UV Sphere, press G to bring this up, right click Shade Smooth, and we're going to go to Material, and we see that we have a material right here. I'm just going to call this for Emission. Oops. Apparently Blender's not working. That's an odd one. Brand new version of Blender, and it's decided, you know, to be honest with you, I had some issues with the last tutorial as well with bugs, so maybe all the bugs haven't been ironed out of it. Anyway, we'll call this Emission since it started working again. So let's go to the render tab real quick. We'll switch out this EV on render engines to cycles, and then come back down to your materials tab right here. So when we render this, you'll notice that this is completely dark. So we need to change the UV spheres material to emission. So we're going to go to Principal BSDF under Surface, and we'll change that to an emission. You'll notice now that we have this nice little orb going through, and the shadows in respect are responding to that orb. So I'm going to go ahead and just go with Shift D and move a secondary orb just here, and then maybe move this across just to here. Let's go with a new material. So just click new material at the top right here, just next to where the name is. It looks like two pieces of paper, and we're going to change this one to a blue. So now you can see where the blue light's hitting, and you can see where the white light's hitting as well. Let's go ahead and change this white to a red. So we've got a little bit more contrast so you can kind of see which light is hitting where. So we have this blue one right here, which is hitting the floor, hitting this little cube right here, and the sides on here. And then the red one is obviously hitting everything here. But then we have this variation of kind of like a purple colour in the middle. So if I start rotating this, computer willing, we can now see the difference between these two lights. So this is kind of a nice little thing to do, especially if you're making a scene where, say, it's got multiple sets of lighting, or maybe there's some light pollution going on in some parts. So this is how you can make little emission orbs. Yeah, I thought I'd do this tutorial with you just to show how the program works, since this is a new version of Blender. And I'm going to be doing some basic tutorials just for maybe the next week or so, just for people that are just starting in Blender as well. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.